Pogo sticks always had potential to be a lot of fun growing up, but the technology just wasn't good enough to let us do what we really wanted. Back in 1997, we set out to turn pogo sticks into a whole new sport. Our concept was based on the idea of having a portable trampoline, something you can jump 3, 6, or even 10 feet high on, but also take anywhere you want to go. The V4 is the portable trampoline we'd always dreamed of. With the V4, you have the ability to add or remove air and completely change the stiffness of the bounce. Someone who weighs 300 pounds can jump on the same exact V4 as someone who only weighs 80 pounds. All you need to do is change the air pressure. In less than a minute, you can perfectly tune the V4 to each rider's preferences, pumping more air in to jump higher and taking air out to jump lower. This makes sharing it with friends and family a fun-filled experience that everyone can enjoy. You can also collapse the V4 to make transportation a breeze. Whether you're a pro or just stepping onto the V4 for the very first time, you'll love the weightless, flight-like experience. You'll get the basics in minutes, and from that point on, there's no limit to how far you can challenge yourself. With the V4, you'll be able to jump up onto ledges, down stairs, and over gaps of all sizes while nailing down some pretty awesome tricks. After playing around on the V4, you'll never look at your surroundings in the same way again. Obstacles and features that are too high for bikes and skateboards are perfect for the V4. For those of you looking for a fun way to stay in shape, the V4 will work most of the muscle groups in your body and get your heart pounding immediately. It's a killer cardio workout, and the best part is that while you're having fun bouncing around, you won't even realize how quickly you build a sweat. In order to achieve superior build quality and maintain the high tolerances necessary for the V4 to work, we manufacture and assemble it right here in our Southern California shop. We work closely with our suppliers to become a part of the build process, and as each component is made, we're right there to test them. This streamlines our manufacturing and ensures that every V4 we make is up to our standards. If you're looking for the portable trampoline that we always dreamed of, the V4 is going to knock your socks off. Whether you want to use it simply for exercise or to jump 8 feet high and do crazy tricks on is up to you. And we know you'll love every second of it. Join us and help change the way pogo sticks are seen forever.
Betty is an app-enabled alarm clock for your smartphone that does so much more than just wake you up. For starters, Betty comes with multiple smart buttons that allow you to control many devices around your home, like the lighting in your bedroom. Betty also includes 2 USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at night. The Betty has a fully off feature that totally dims the clock face so your room is completely dark at night. And since loud noises keep people up too, we also included a white noisemaker that helps peacefully drown out the loud sounds of your city. Choose from settings like rainy night or humming fan to help you fall asleep. But Betty doesn't just help you go to sleep at night. Our Sunrise Simulator feature gradually brightens your room in the morning with soft light, gently stirring you awake 5 minutes before your alarm goes off. And since Betty is connected to your home, we can talk to your Wemo switch to prepare your coffee 10 minutes before your alarm goes off, or set your Nest, so your place is warm and your coffee is hot and ready for you when you wake up. And more than that, rather than a jarring buzzer alarm sound, Betty comes with Spotify integration, so you can make your alarm sound your favorite morning playlist. Betty also gives you a quick glimpse at your local weather so you can dress appropriately for the day.
Today's weather is rainy and temperature is 68 degrees.
And even better, Betty integrates with the Maps feature on your phone and knows your morning commute. So Betty will periodically update you in the morning as to exactly when you need to leave for work based on your local current traffic conditions.
You need to leave in 15 minutes.
And if you're a lover of the sharing economy like we are, we've also integrated a one-touch Uber button into Betty so you can call your Uber straight from bed and Betty will inform you when it arrives.
Your Uber has arrived.
Do you support the idea of a free and safe internet without barriers and censorship? Shellfire now offers you a simple and easy solution, the Shellfire Box.
Hi, I'm Max. And my name is Florian. We are the founders of Shellfire, and we believe that secure and free access to the internet is a fundamental right to every single person on this planet.
That's why we design our products to be easy and intuitive and make them freely available to anyone.
Meet Tom. Tom is worried. He fears that hackers could steal his passwords. Many of his favorite websites are censored or blocked in his country. And he doesn't want governments to spy on his data. Tom has now found a solution: Shellfire VPN. Shellfire VPN encrypts all of Tom's data and sends it through a secure server, thereby protecting him from hackers and other spies. Shellfire VPN overcomes any censorship. Tom is now able to view sports events and episodes of his favorite TV series that are otherwise not available in his country.
Over the last years, we built a worldwide infrastructure with servers in 20 countries. Our app secures your computer and your smartphone with just a few clicks.
We already helped more than 150,000 users secure their data and overcome censorship.
Tom wants to protect all of his devices. However, most of his smart devices like TVs or gaming consoles don't even offer the possibility to establish a safe VPN connection.
That's why many of our users have asked us for a simple solution to secure all their devices at once.
We had the idea to develop the Shellfire Box, a tiny little box that securely connects all of your devices to our VPN network within a matter of seconds.
It's that easy. Plug in the power cord, connect the Shellfire Box to your internet router, wirelessly connect your devices to the Shellfire Box. To go back to your regular internet connection, simply switch back to your original Wi-Fi network. The Shellfire Box comes with an easy-to-use web interface. It lets you select a VPN server in the country of your choice with just a few clicks.
If you share our idea of a free internet, support our campaign so that we can finalize the development of the Shellfire Box to protect your privacy online.
If you want to further support us, share this campaign on Facebook or Twitter. Thank you.
This is Orr. Ever since he was a child, Orr had a special talent. A talent for things that fit perfectly into other things. Perfection is a rare thing to come across. It's that moment when everything falls into place and you feel whole. you feel pleased. The world is in complete harmony. With that in mind, here's your car's windshield. Now, in a perfect world, where on the windshield would you put your phone? That's right, not on the windshield. Why? Because it's just not clever, and even illegal in some places. One day, when Orr was sitting in his car, he had an epiphany. He invented Radmo, the perfectly fitted mount. Radmo slides in your car's CD player perfectly, and your phone slides into Radmo perfectly. It's amazingly placed, it's stable like a rock, and it doesn't take up any windshield real estate. Radmo is made of infused nylon and is durable to last for years. This is not a fling, it's a very serious relationship. Yes, you can still use your CD player if that's the kind of thing you're into, no problem. Radmo's patented mount can fit any phone with any cover or without one easily. And it also fits GPS devices, mini tablets, or even two phones at the same time. Just adjust the handles and you're done. Radmo has no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no Lightning connector, no NFC, no USB, and yet it's the best accessory ever made for smartphones. So if you love things that fit perfectly, help us bring Radmo to the market. Radmo.